Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have already opened my Photoshop. First, let's take a new layer. Now add a solid color as a background and add text. You can change the color by going here and adjusting the text into the middle. I am writing hello everyone. You can write whatever you want, but right now we are having a problem with the text. You can't see the full text. So to adjust this, do Control T and adjust the size. If you want to rotate again, do Control T and you will see icon change. If you go anywhere on the screen but don't click on these 6 small rectangle, these are for adjusting the size. Also, if you don't like anything and want to change, do Control Z and it will automatically change. If you want to add an effect to the text, click on FX, then click on blending options. There are so many text effects that you can add to the text. That's how you can add text in Photoshop. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.
I know you told your friends